Yes, praise the name of the Lord. This is Apostle Charles. Inze Apostle Charles. Njagala kwebaza Katonda ku lunaku olwaleero, ku lw'eddakiika leero. Naye obadde okimanyi nti buli mulembe Katonda abaako n'abantu baalokola. Okimanyi nti mu buli mulembe Katonda ateekawo obuddukiro. Okimanyi nti mu buli mulembe Katonda ateekawo answer. In every generation God has a solution. And in every problem God has an answer. So today I want to tell you that God has your answer. The answers, the question that you've been having and you had no answers, God is going to answer every question that you had. Because I know in every generation, there is what God does. And this is the generation whereby God is raising up prophets. God is raising up people who are going to preach the gospel in Jesus' mighty name. So me, I've decided to be in the forest because they say there is corona, but I believe there is no coronavirus in this forest. I believe God has preserved me, and I know God is going to preserve you. Togenda kufa ng'abalala bwe bafa, togenda kulemerwa ng'abalala bwe balemererwa. Guno omulembe ogenda kuguyitamu. Oba sitaana ayagala oba tayagala ogenda kuguyitamu mu linnya erya Yesu omwana wa Katonda omulamu. The Bible speaks in the book of Ecclesiastes 9, chapter 9 and verse 4. For to him that is joined to all the living there is hope. For the living dog is better than a dead lion. A living dog is better than a dead lion. As long as you're still living, no matter what you're going through today, no matter what the devil says today, no matter what the devil speaks today, but there is still hope. If you're not dead, there is still hope. You may be even sick, but if you're not dead, there is hope. You may be even in the hospital. Oyinza okuba oli mulwadde, oyinza okuba bintu byetabudde bikusobedde, naye kasita oba nga okyali mulamu, wakyaliwo essubi mwana wa Mukama, wakyaliwo essubi kasita oba nga okyali mulamu. Bayibuli egamba nti embwa ennamu esinga empologoma enfu. Weewaawo empologoma eba y'amaanyi, naye empologoma mu bufu bwayo teyamba. The lion is very strong animal, and actually in the jungle all other animals fear the lion, but if the lion is dead it has no use. But the living dog is better than the dead lion. So as long as you're still living, there is still hope. The Bible says there is hope for the tree that has been cut down. Like this is a tree, it has been cut down, but as long as the roots are still in the ground, there is hope for this tree. You can cut this tree, but as long as you've not cut the roots, as long as you can cut the branch, you can do whatever. But if it still has the roots, then there is still hope. Wakyaliwo essuubi baana ba Mukama, tukyali mu Katonda. Kino ekizze kigenda kutulekawo nga tukyali balamu. Kyanditutwalako amakoola naye kigenda kutulekawo mu linnya erya Yesu. Mukama abawe omukisa ate abaweerera ddala omukisa mu linnya erya Yesu.